Hey y'all, there's a burger under those fries. Welcome back. We're eating again. Yay! I gotta put my shades on. It's warm in here and bright. Let me turn down the air a little so you can hear me. I forgot my microphone again. So I am at a gas station, a Marathon gas station in Niles, Illinois. And inside, it's actually named Yazzy's, the gas station. But inside is a place called Good Burgers or something. Good Guys Burger Company. Decent fries. So, this is a no frills gas station and burger joint. There were no napkins, no straws. I got the combo because I saw a review that said the fries were good, and actually these are darn good fries. And I like skin on fries. But for the drink, he handed me a cup, and I had to wander over to the fountain on the other side of the gas station, which only had a few Pepsi products. I rarely have a soda. I can't remember the last time I had one. But no ice, no napkins. Luckily I have all of that on my own in case of an emergency. So I ordered the darn good, I don't know. It's a double smash burger and it looks and smells delicious. So, ooh, that's a good burger. Okay. That's a damn good burger. Perfectly seasoned, one of the best seasoned. It's one of the best smash burgers I've seen outside of my own. And the sauce is delicious. That's a 5-star burger. So I can put up with no straws, no ice, no napkins if a burger's that good. And like I said, these are darn good fries. And I hardly ever get fries, but I had to try them. So it's halal. And like I said, they're on Milwaukee Avenue in Niles. And here's a glance at their menu. They got chopped cheese, sandwich, patty melt, mushroom and Swiss. You can get a fried egg or bacon. Loaded fries with beef or chicken or both. Shakes, chicken nuggets, chicken tenders. Bring your own chips. I guess you buy chips in the store and carry it over, and they'll put make it loaded chips for you. So prices are, this was $9.49 for the burger plus $2.99 for the fries and the whatever that is I got, cherry Pepsi or something, I don't know. Just needed something to wash down the food. But seriously, this is that's a legit burger, y'all. So five. They get a 5 on the food. Service a 3 or 2.5. The guy was friendly. Makes a great burger. They just don't stock up on their stuff. And that's it. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Eat some more of the fries. And I know I can't finish the fries, but I got a snack. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, your helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And see you next time. Bye!